Just very simply going to show everybody. So Tempest and the kids, it's cold. We've had rain, we've had a monkey's birthday, Merlin and co. The noisy ones, aka Emerald and the ducks. The other one's over there, by the way. Still eating a bit of what's left. There's not a lot of anything left other than mud. Got plenty of that. But let's see what Meringue's up to. Right, mate? Yeah, good boy. Okay. Ooh. Indeed. Right then. Okay. That's that. Let's just ask for a bit. So we do have water in the water system. That's up to 700, which is good. Got the pony poo out of here. They've got their shelter. They've got both the green and blue net with hay in. Yes, a lot of noise. Please do yourself a favour, and I invite you to just check. If you think you're subscribed, just check that you have. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. No sooner finished talking to you, guess what? It started to rain in the caravan. Quite grateful for it. Something I always used to mention, and I'm really happy with all of you that has subscribed to the Berrystrip Smallholding Homestead YouTube channel. Thank you so much. You are the berry ones. Realize that and be mindful of that, because in the future that will benefit you, because there will be benefits and things offered to the berry ones, our subscribers. Something I need to just remind you, if you do like the livestock that we have and the animals that we have, there is merchandise of them on our website. I often say, look at our website, see us on Patreon, and check us out on social media. And thank you so very much for all your support. It means a great deal to us. This sun would be great if the solar panel hadn't blown off the top of the caravan. And believe it or not, we've had and probably still got ground frost a bit, but it's quite warm this one. I mean, I've got my hoodie and my black coat on, and my daughter's got her jumper and her hat on, but it is quite warm. I won't want to be stuck in the shade, so I think later on when I've got things to do in the shade I won't be over enthusiastic, but yeah, I've got a crack on, as you do. Greetings to the world from the Berrystrip Smallholding Homestead, Cornwall, UK. Hello, I'm Jason. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us out on our website, Patreon, social media. Net here for when this was actually done for the peacocks, and basically that's the surplus that we had from that's gone over, so that's why it doesn't look quite as good as that, or even that. Noticed that the bar was a couple of inches above the overflow, so I had to do that plunging thing idea again, and ended up with a load of bubbles. And yes, I slipped in the mud because it is very muddy and it's very slippery, because I put some hay in the green nets. I put some hay in the blue nets, and that's kind of there where it was up about an inch from there. And I had a load of bubbles come through, so there might have been another. Right, this is later in the day. They've all had a break in the caravan from the weather. Now I've got them out just before I'm going to go down and feed and water the ponies, Tempest and the kids, Merlin and Co, and Emerald and the ducks. So I'm right on cue. Chai goes for a wee. So I've got Ice, Shy and Liba in the run all together with toys and treats and a bowl of water. Right, and I'm going to go down and get everybody fed and watered and finish up for the day. And my son Peterson is here too. Thank you for having us.
The afterglow of this daily war, I need so much more than just holy water. The wind is roaring my heavy song. It's been way too long since I almost caught her. Baby, let me lay here a while until